What's up, guys? So we looked at differentiation, now we're going to look at integration. By the end of this video, you should know how to integrate a polynomial and what it actually means to integrate a polynomial. So, let's start with this one. So, integration, the fundamental law of calculus. Integration is the opposite of differentiation. So if this was, I don't know, a x to the n, right? If y equals that, then dy dx is equal to na times x to the power of n minus 1. Which means that the opposite is true. If dy dx is equal to na to the power of x to the n minus 1, then it means that y is equal to x to the n, because we need to add the power, and then it's n over n plus 1. N. Write this down. Write this down because this is the important part. Okay, so let's try it. The integral of 5x to the 1, that's just going to be 5 over, what's 1 plus 1? 2. X to the power of 2. That's our answer, isn't it? Well, as you guys know, when we integrate something, or rather when we differentiate something, if there is a constant, we get rid of it. So it's going to be plus c. And that's very important that we add the plus c. Okay? Well, let's look at another example, but before we do, make sure you subscribe so you can see other tutorials that I make. Let's try this one. So, we're doing integral of 8x to the 2 plus 7x dx. First thing we want to do is we know that the differential is just going to be the constant over the power plus 1 times x to the power. So, in this case, we know that the integral of 8x squared is just going to be 8 over 3, because all we're doing is 2 plus 1. And then x. And then we have to add the power on the end. Same with 7x. So the integral of 7x is just going to be 7 over 2, because we're just adding 1, times x to the power of 2. So therefore, the integral of 8x squared plus 7x is just going to be 8 over 3 x cubed plus 7 over 2x, and the most important mark, plus c. If we want to, we can differentiate this. So dy dx is just going to be 8x squared plus 7x. Oh, this is squared. There we go. See? It's an easy way to make sure that you have the mark. Without checking, I might have lost the mark there, even though I wrote it here. If that didn't make any sense to you, that's okay. Send me whatever comment you want. Join my Discord server to send any questions, or leave a comment down below if you don't understand. Now let's look at the final example of the day. Integrate 5x cubed minus 4 root x. Well, we know that 4 root x is the same as 4 x to the half. So now let's do the integration. The integral of 5x cubed is just going to be 5 over 4 times x to the 4, because we add the 1. And now let's look at the second number that we have. The integral of 4x to the half is just going to be 4 over 3 over 2 times x to the power of 3 over 2. 4 divided by 3 over 2 is the same as 8 over 3 times x to the 3 over 2. And then we just add them together. So the integral of 5x cubed plus 4 root x dx is just going to be 8 over 3 x to the 3 over 2 plus, I'll write this in black because I wrote it in black before, 5 over 4 x to the 4, and the all important plus c. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video made sense. If you guys want some extra tutoring, drop me an email and you can organize a meeting and a quote. Keep on learning, as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.